One of my happy places is a garden store. I am very frugal though, so I do need to check out the sales prices. Anyway, right now I'm really just locked into succulents. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? Because they're just perfect. If you neglect them a little bit, they'll still thrive, they'll still do well. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to show you my backyard garden, which, oh my God, I've neglected terribly, but I can still bring it back. So these are perfect because just once a week you can water them. If you down bad depressed for a month, they'll still live and you can still take care of them. So gardening, I just feel like you're giving back to the earth, you're giving back to the world. This is a perfect gift to give to someone else, especially people who are scared that they don't have a green thumb, scared of killing plants. This is perfect. It just puts a smile on my face, especially the plants that have some color to them. I know I'm saying a lot because it really, really is my happy place. So I bought 4 plants there. These are the 4 plants. I bought some pebbles and sand to mix into the soil. I soaked the soil before adding the new plants into them. And then the plants were crazy, crazy dry when I purchased them. So I allowed them to sit in a bowl with some water a couple of days. And then I just put some fish tank grade color sand on them. I've never done that before, but blue is one of my favorite colors. And I just figured it would bring a smile to my face, which is why I did it. And I think it looks good. What are your thoughts? And finally, we're going to finish up with some other succulents. I like to propagate too. It feels like Christmas when you propagate. You just turn around and you're like, oh, after a few days of spraying the soil, just keep it in sunlight. Oh, wait, before I get to the propagation, this is something else I bought. They just took some coconut coir. Looks like they put it in tea bags. It was kind of hard to work with, so I didn't love it. But this is my first time working with it, so we'll see how it turns out. These are some leaves. I saw some on the ground at the garden store. I picked them up, brought them home, put them on some dirt, sprayed it every day, made sure it got some light. And then you'll get a root. And when you get the root, then you want to go ahead and put it in the planter with some soil. Love it. Now I was growing watermelon. Oh my God, you see all my little baby watermelon? Unfortunately, they were not as sweet as I had hoped. So I'll try again. So here's the product of one of the watermelon. You'll see it. It wasn't as sweet, but I also feel like stores are putting sugar in our watermelon. Let me know.
But the flesh looks good.